Hello, good evening to you, Miss Alia May and Joshua. We're here again. I'm your project manager, Rosario Indriga, and we will have a discussion about innovations in Cairns Bounce Fitness Center. So I will discuss about the innovation that we will come up in our gym. Okay. Uh, so create a physical, promote innovation on Bounce Fitness Canes Center. The current situation of Bounce Fitness Canes Centers is as follows. Bounce Fitness began in 2001 in Cairns, Queensland. The business model has been very well received and resulted in expansion to Brisbane, Sydney, and Melbourne. Marketing is very important to maintain growth and market penetration. In addition to offering fitness facilities to corporation, Bounce Fitness' main activity is the creation and implementation of wellness programs. The basic market need is the reduction of corporate costs and the increase in the employee efficiency that can be achieved through long-term wellness programs. So, as we all know, disability affects every group of people on the planet. There are people with physical disabilities and intellectual disabilities in every country. Socioeconomic status, ethnicity, religion, and gender in the community of people with disabilities is vast. Yet, they are almost completely left behind when it comes to health and wellness. Barriers that contributes to low levels of participation in athletics by people with disabilities includes transport difficulties, lack of knowledge of available aids or resources, lack of expertise, poor community facilities, and lack of access to them, and low expectations from peers. So now we will discuss how we will enhance the physical environment for people with disabilities, the people with disabilities that wants to come in our Bounce Fitness Gym. First, we need contacting and holding meetings with disability community to develop a program as a trial, enhancing the environment that promote easy access with people with disability, then develop advertisement, review costing of the project, and writing to groups who may be interested in participating with this innovation of environment. Reviewing Bounce Fitness floor plan to determine the location and flow through for potential people with disabilities to ensure that this walkthrough and the location is safe for this cohort. So these new ideas for resources and equipment that may enhance innovations are as follows. As we all know, there's a current law provides that they extend 32 inches to accommodate standard wheelchairs. Wheelchair-friendly facilities is also a stroller-friendly facility. Becoming physically welcoming to people with disabilities makes you welcoming to participate also in wellness. Walk through your gym and note any obvious environmental barrier. So the project manager can also check the gym. If possible, do it always with someone who uses a wheelchair or a walker. Go beyond the minimum requirements of the law to incorporate principles of universal designs to make your facility much more friendly with people with disabilities. Then purchase or replace existing equipment with types of equipment that offer more features which make it usable for those with varying degrees of disability. Consider aiding supplemental equipment that loops the audio to hearing aids so that every participant can catch the instructors. Then we must always treat people with disabilities as you would any other member, taking into account individual needs and utilizing the many exercise options that may be available. So we have ways of improving the creative mindset of others. This is for our team members. We can always grab a magazine who would normally never pick up and read an article. Watch 10 minutes of a foreign TV show in language you don't speak. Start a conversation with the person in front of you when you're waiting in line at the supermarket. Enter a store you've never been ever and then forget about yet another clothing store, try out something new entirely. This is the factors that can enhance a person's creativity. So as we all know, it is it was also taught that staff could be upskilled during the process. Learning how to work with people with disabilities and how to use their knowledge and skills in fitness will benefit these groups to improve their strength and balance. Using staff members with specific skills to teach each others will be as required during this process. So we can also have trained staff in dealing with people with disabilities. So that is our plan and our creative ideas with our customers that has physical disabilities. So thank you and have a good night. Thank you for listening, and I hope I will see you both of you soon. Good night.